Magandang araw, class. Welcome to our subject, Civil Engineering Laws, Contacts and Specifications. Today, we will have an introduction to business, particularly business law. Allow me to share my screen. And bigyan niyo muna sarili yung isang bagsak for being here in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay. So we have an introductory discussion regarding business law, CE laws, ethics, contacts, and specification. So our outline for this discussion, we will discuss some forms or the forms of business ownership, general categories, other types, and some business checklists which I may leave as reading assignment na lang. Kasi sobrang dali lang yan intindihin. Okay? So mga ano lang, especially those who are will or talagang who are into business. Okay? Sige. So forms of business ownership. What are forms of business ownership? So some things we need to consider, okay, when we what do you call this? When we form when we create business, no? Syempre kinakailangan, literal dito class, no, yung forms is literal na papel, as in form. Ano ba yung mga form? Registration form, ito yun. Okay? Ito yun. And actually, lahat to, no, legal charter, regulatory reporting requirements, lahat to is already available. Hindi sa DTI, sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay, take note of that. So, teka, pakita ko lang sa inyo para meron tayong magka-idea tayo. So we have been studying these books before, no? Civil Code, Constitution. So meron din tayo for corporation law. We have this, allow me to open the book to you guys, no? So ito yung revised corporation code, no? Revised corporation. So this is the codal. So i-share ko rin to sa class. So nandito siya, no? Sharing screen. So ito, kumpleto, no? Kumpleto Ricardo din. Nandiyan yung title, what is corporation. Ayan. So siguro hindi ko na ito mapakabisado, no? Kasi introductory lang naman to ulit. We only need to be aware, no? What is essential whenever you start a business. So ito. Ayan. This is the pinaka-importanting one, the articles of incorporation. So you have the name of the corporation, yan, saang lugar, no? The principal office, yung place, no? For the principal address ng office, your main office nyo, okay, ng business. So names of incorporators. So usually, or hindi, no, 15, no? Limited to 15 only ang incorporator. Nasa batas yon. Okay, so lahat yan kasama. So balik tayo sa ating ano, no? Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin what are the general categories of business ownership. So I believe in one way or another na-encounter na to. So pag sinabing sole proprietorship, syempre, from the term sole, isa lang yung nagmamay-ari ng lahat. For example, Manny Pacquiao group of companies, whether meron siyang Manny Pacquiao Basketball League, meron siyang training camp, meron siyang mga yung workout ngayon, meron siyang mga TV channel ba or whatsoever. So lahat yon under Manny Pacquiao. Siguro meron lang siyang mga legal advisors, mga financial advisors for him to handle those type of businesses. So the most popular form of business formation, which accounts to 40% of the firms and treated as an extension of the owner. So by the way, class, no, pag sinabing extension or ang corporation kasi is para siyang isang persona, a juridical person created by the operation of law. So na-create siya, yung tao na to, yung individual, yung entity na to because of the operation of law. Okay? So earnings and losses are treated as personal income, and then owners completely all the liability for all debts and obligations of the sole proprietorship. So, sa mga advantages, syempre madali magsimula, tapang lang ang puhunan or syempre kapital, kung saan ka man magbe-venture, whether sa engineering, whether sa entertainment, whether sa consumer, di ba? Merong services, goods, and so on and so forth. So, retention of all profits, high personal control and flexibility, kasi nga ikaw yung nagmamanage lahat. Tax once, as personal income, no? Medyo, yes, tama naman to. Tama naman to. Ako kasi, no, class to share lang to the class, for the first time in my life, I practice now as a general practitioner of our discipline. So may mga times na pumipirma na ako, no? Pumipirma na ako ng mga plans, na gumagawa na ako ng mga reports to be submitted to different firms, sa mga assessment reports, ganyan-ganyan. So, every time na sisweldohan nila ako because of my service, kailangan ko na silang issuehan ng check. Okay, so parang meron akong, hindi ko na mapakita. Meron akong professional service as a civil engineer. So, ganun din kayo. No? And ang issue doon is, kapag meron kasing multiple incomes ka, syempre, para kang business owner, no? You business or you specialize in selling your profession. Yun yung ibig sabihin. No? So, meron akong multiple source of income. Hindi lang, though tax once ka, at mas mababa yung rate ko pala, by the way, 8% ang yung tax kapag ganun. Dahil multiple siya, ang nangyayari is, ako na yung nagpa-file. No? Kailangan kong pumunta or kailangan kong mag-asikaso ng form ko ng ITR and papasa sa BIR. Merong yearly at merong quarterly. So, mas marami lang yung activities na gano'n. So, ito yung last part. I don't think this is not an advantage kasi hindi naman maganda na sinisikret mo. No? Kasi sometimes yung secrecy na to, this will lead to some unethical duties. No? Na, siyempre, the unethical means illegal. No? And ayaw natin nun. As I said sa class, do everything in the legal, ethical, and moral way. Okay, kasi kaya naman natin umangat lahat. Okay, darating din yung time na yun. So, some disadvantages, ito lang, no? It's all about, lagi yung tatandaan kasi the brilliance is in the room. Always, may mga bagay na marami tayong matututunan sa kaklase natin, sa mga mentors natin, sa mga friends natin, sa mga people who are practicing our discipline. So, be willing to learn lang. So, yun yung disadvantage dito if you are not open for transfer of ownership, management skills especially. No? Kasi hindi lahat magaling sa management, especially managing people. Okay, yung the hardest to master. So some forms of partnership. So in this case, meron akong snapshot dito, no. Sorry, 2018 pa yung module na to. 2020 na update siya ng 2020. So this was way back in 2018 when Toyota and Grab had this partnership for taxi, no, sa mga taxis. Grab taxi ata ito. So different forms of partnership, pwedeng GP, General Partnership Limited, Limited Liability Corporation or LLP, Limited Liability Partnerships. So, ang very common dito sa mga general partnership kasi, if you would be familiar with, lagi nating example sa kaso sa suits sa mga lawyers, na si Harvey Specter Lit, yung mga, usually yung apelido, no? In the Philippines, meron mga Anggara-Anggara, may mga ganyan, no? Mga law firms. Magkasama yung tatay tas yung anak, parang gano'n. So, limited partnership, isa lang din pa rin yung control. Isa pa rin yung general partner who assumes full liability. And for LLC, LLP, limited professional liability for the acts of the other partners. So, must have a partnership agreement and meet certain requirements. So, dito papasok yung liability mo. Sometimes, ano ba yung mga example ng requirements? Numbers of shares. Di ba? Mamaya, pag-usapan natin kung ano ba ibig sabihin pag sinabi mong stock corporation, non-stock corporation. Okay? So, some advantages of partnership, again, it boils down to brilliance is in the room. Meron kang kasama. Meron kang mga kaagapay sa tagumpay. Meron kang kasama sa pondohan sa pag-iisip. Yan, business expertise. Yan. Very easy to understand. So, some disadvantages: unlimited personal liability, lack of continuity. Di ba? Ito usually, very common dito sa mga law firms again. Kapag namatay na yung partner, no, yung usually yung general partner, yung leading partner, hindi mo na pa pwedeng gamitin yung pangalan niya. Kasi it will be unfair of practice, no? Kunyari, Enrile, isang batikan na lawyer, abogado. Bawal mo nang gamitin yung Enrile kung hindi na si Enrile talaga yung general partner ng firm, law firm. So mga classic example yan. Management by consensus is difficult and frozen investment. So some partnership agreements, ito usually saan ito pinagkakasunduan, kas by the way? Sa mga meetings. Di ba sa mga meetings, and if you will review ng revised corporation code, meron din doon. Ano yung mga nakasaad sa isang meeting? Dapat merong agenda, tuwing kailan siya sineset, pasok lahat yun doon. Okay? Pasok lahat yun doon. So especially, ito, advice lang sa mga tatakbong student leaders, no? Kung need nyo ng management, especially management leadership, actually the law is guiding us, no? Di ba instruction nga from the maker, eh. So ang daming information na nakasaad if you will just seek, no? Sabi ni Jim Rohn, books you don't read will not help you. Okay, books you don't read will not help you. So ito na, corporations, stock corporation, and non-stock corporations. Basically, pag sinabing stock corporation, kasi ito ay mga publicly listed corporation. Okay? Ito yung pwede kang maging part owner by buying shares in the Philippine Stock Exchange. So they are publicly listed. And usually, this publicly listed corporation, yung top 30, they are known as the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ibig sabihin, yung top 30 corporations ng ating bansa, parang I would say that 80% of the money revolves around them. Ganun kabigat, no? Sila yung nagdidikta ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Okay, so meron tayong mga non-stock corporation, yan, mga foundation, no? Charity works, pwede din. So, other types of business ownership, yan, mga government-owned and controlled corporation. Ito yung mga prominent, very common uh, in our country. So, for example, the BSP, the number one, regulatory for currency, our currency, Philippine currency. Basis Conversion Development Authority, nag-co-convert, and Clark, no? Clark Development Corporation, I believe that is CDC. So, etong mga to, they convert yung mga dating palayan, no, ng mga Fort Bonifacio. Ngayon, mga condominium na. May surrender na, may mga na-develop na mga area. And talaga naman, di ba, mayroong BGC ngayon because of them. Okay? So, laging handa for BSP, Boys Out of the Philippines. MMDA, National Irrigation Administration. So, ito lang yung mga some, no? Pero sobrang dami nating GOCCs all in our country. So, mga non-profit corporations, ito class, no? Babalikan lang natin dito, class, yung pinag-usapan natin if Gordon is liable for double compensation. Hindi. Bakit? Kasi nga hindi public corporation si Red Cross. It is a non-profit corporation with a public function. Laging tatandaan. So that is sino nga nagkaso? Liban versus Gordon. The landmark case of Liban versus Gordon. Okay, so cooperatives, ito, very common sa mga kooperatiba sa example, UST Faculty Union, pasok to dito. Mga kooperatiba sa jeepney, di ba yung mga nag-strike ngayon, cooperatives yun. Pasang Mazda, Toda, yung mga ganyan natin. Cooperatives yung mga to perform a business function. So, ito naman, mga joint ventures, agreement between two groups. So, example, ito, way back example for 2014, Sir Bogart. So, when I work in the firm of my professor, Sir Mike Sikat, no? ME Sikat Construction, we are the civil works arm for the project of Bonifacio Global City, design and upgrade of the STP from 20 million liters per day up to 100 million liters per day treatment bago siya i-discharge sa Laguna Lake. So, sino yung sa structural design, yung AMH? And sino yung sa mechanical works, yung OTBP Veolia? So, all of this had this joint venture to finish the project. Okay? And ngayon, fully operational na yung STP. And naipasa na rin sa, I believe, sa Katara Engineering. Very specialized in water and treatment. So we have syndicates. Pangit lang pakinggan pero it talks about large amount of money. Okay? Especially insurances, mutual funds, loans, banking. Yan. Pasok siya dito. Pasok siya dito. So, again, I'm sorry kung hindi na updated tong slide, but this is just an outlook, no, for business ownership. And I believe ganito pa rin yung trend natin. Ganito pa rin yung trend natin. So, some checklist lang for you to review na to, no? Daanan na lang natin. And by the way, I'll be sharing naman this slide, no, via PDF ko na lang isa. So, meron din ako ditong guideline na who will you choose as your attorney and some accountant. Di ba kaya mostly, no, yung mga common class na CPA nagiging lawyers din. Okay? Yan. So, some homeworks for just reading assignment na lang din to. Why is it important to decide how to legally structure a business? What are the different legal forms of a business? So, yun. That will be it for today. If you have any question, class, comment down this video. Message me personally in my social media accounts or in my email address. Thank you and God bless you all.